Nakita nyo, of all the four, yung present ni Director Det, mental health and psychosocial support services ang isa sa priorities, sa four priorities natin in times of disasters. And that's also why we do earthquake drills sa schools so that the kids will also have parang mental muscle memory of what to do and not panic. Remember the first step pag nag-earthquake, stay calm or be calm. So ang nangyari noong sa Baguio, we had 40 high school kids that were, may mga hinimatay, may mga nagpanic, at eventually all 40 of them went to the emergency department of Baguio General. At akala ng maraming tao, nagdagsaan ng maraming injured. So the initial reports were injured. Na-check sila lahat sa emergency department, wala po silang problem. Most of them are in fact, very simple ang treatment ng hyperventilation syndrome. Anong tinuro sa atin? Brown paper bag technique lang. The other technique is asking the victim, kung wala kayong brown paper bag, is to make them do the box breathing. 4 seconds inhale, and then 4 seconds exhale. You tell them and guide them. Then yung kayo, the responder, should also be calm. Huwag kayong magpapanik. So this can be done at school. They don't have to be brought to the hospital and overwhelm a busy emergency department. Kasi ang mangyayari dyan, pag pinapunta nyo lahat sa ospital yung mga may hysteria or hyperventilation syndrome, magkakaroon lang kayo ng overcrowding sa emergency. Baka may mamatay pang tunay na injured. So we don't want that to happen. So very important, sumasali ang ating mga high school students sa mga drills. Very important, yung ating mga teachers tumutulong din to support the mental health and psychosocial issues of our students.